This is a tutorial on how to use PCMaxx. To change any of the features, you click on Manager, Features, choose Program Setup. You can change the title name. That's the name that will display on top of the clock. This is your data file link. This should be set up by your Datamaxx tech. If not, please contact them. But essentially it connects to this DMD-UDL, which is a data link file, and that has your database link information in it. You can change some of the registry values here if you're using the biometric fingerprint readers. To choose the prompts, I click on Item Prompts, check off the levels that you're using, and you can change the names in here. And as you can see, this one has been changed to a question, but this is defaulted to phase. And you can check that off if you want to use that level as well. This means that they can only enter a valid employee ID number. If you check this box, they can choose from a drop down. The sort description is sorting by name instead of ID number. You can skip on the in, skip on the out, switch, skip on lunch. You can have it show a description after the punch. And then if you choose program options and require punch verification, that gives you a pop-up box at the end of the punch so they can verify what they have entered. If this box is checked down here on the bottom, that means you're using biometric fingerprint readers. Uncheck it if you're not. You can skip the fingerprint on a switch. So essentially what that means is if they're punching in and out but changing tasks throughout the day or jobs, it won't ask for the fingerprint again until they punch out. The button captions, you can disable certain things. So if you don't want to see lunch on your screen, you can just type in disable here and do that for any levels. And I just copy it and then paste it into each level. It's a little bit more quick that way. These are your messages. You know, if they punch a wrong ID in or a wrong entry, this will pop up. In your options here, you can always keep PCMaxx on top no matter what, so it's not hidden if you check this box. This allows users to exit the program by the orange button in the lower right hand corner. You can change your password here. You can have employee passwords log into the PCMaxx, and you would check here if it requires a password. The enable full scan mode is if you're using like a USB scanner, and when you scan an item, it automatically goes to the next without hitting the enter button at the bottom. And these, if you check them, it's not movable. If they're unchecked, you can move PCMaxx. You can maximize it to the full screen. If you check this box here, your management function will turn on or off so they can see the vacation or holiday punch buttons. And again, this is the require punch verification box. If you have this sync options button, this allows you to sync remotely from an off-site location that's not within your network. And please contact your Datamaxx technician if you'd like that set up. Choose close when you're finished. You can exit PCMaxx or close the manager window by clicking this button. So to clock in, you click start, the number, and hit enter. And you notice that I had the verification on, so it says entry not found. If you want to clock in or out, to clock out, click end, and you put in the number and hit enter. If you ever get stuck, you can hit escape and it cancels the punches. Or if you want to go back because you punched in the wrong number, click this button, or that clears the whole item and hit escape to get out again. And these two buttons here are your sync for your offsite PCMaxx syncing, which is if they clock in and out at the end of the day, or if they clock in after everybody clocks in, you can sync your time card so they can see it at the main office.